Hello everyone, welcome back to day 19 of a 30 days AI tools challenge. Have you ever wished you had a AI assistant that could write an article, summarize document, answer your questions, helps with coding, and even analyze long PDF into short PDF? What if I told you AI tool could do all of just things in few seconds, and that amazing AI tool is Claude AI. And Claude AI is an AI powered assistant developed by Anthropic. It is designed to help user with writing coding, research, brainstorming, document analyzing and problem solving. It is especially useful for students, teachers, developers, researchers, content creators and business professionals more. And the best part is you can continue asking follow up questions in the same conversation and Claude remembers the content, making the interaction feels like nature and productive for you. Many people ask me why should I use only Claude when ChatGPT, Gemini and Copilot already exist. And the answer depends on what you want to do. If your work is mainly writing blogs, research papers, YouTube script or long document, Claude is one of the strongest choice because it writes in nature and it's depend on handling long context into very well. If you use Gemini app, like Google apps like Gmail, Google Docs and Google Drive, Gemini is better choice because it integrates directly with Google's ecosystem. If you work with Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Windows, Microsoft Copilot is designed to fit naturally into those tools only. And if you want an all-round AI that can chart, generate images, code, analyze data and handle many different everyday tasks, ChatGPT is great option. One feature is really makes Claude different is artifacts. Instead of only giving code, Claude can create an interactive website or application that you can previously done or continue editing. It also offers a projects when you can organize like files, documents and conversation in one single workspace, and skills when let Claude reuse specialized workflow for repeated tasks. So there isn't a single best way for everyone. It depends upon your use. And so many members ask me this thing like personally, not in comments. So this is my answer for everyone who asked me before. I hope you all got idea on it. Now let us explore practically how Claude is working, like how to use and everything. And now we can open Claude from the Google website. So as you can see, I am texting like Claude AI, and this is website of Claude AI, and this is interface of Claude. As you can see there, you can simply type your question in the chat box, as you can see there, and we have so many options down like code, learn, write, stuff, everything. In left side also we can see so many options there. So now I'm asking just a thing like explain ML in simple words. So I'm just typing it. Within few seconds, Claude explains it in a simple language with example, as you can observe there. I hope you all understand like how to generate a simple question in the chat box. And coming to new chat, whenever you want to start a fresh conversation, just click new chat. This keeps different topics separately. For example, you can type like another chat like UPSC preparation, nor about YouTube script or everything stay organized. Now coming to chat, here Claude stores all your previous conversation. Instead of asking the same question again, you can reopen any chat there. As you can see down, I have been like text about quantum radar battleship in the Claude before. So when I just click like QU of starting letters of quantum, you can see history as it have been opened. Now coming to projects, one of the Claude's best feature is projects. Projects allow you to organize related conversation and upload files. So I'm just clicking on new projects up, you can see there. I'm just giving like a attendance system. I'm creating a mini project for myself in the purpose of a mini project in my college. A attendance system. I'm just clicked on create project, as you can see there. About a attendance system, I can chat with Claude like as human, as teacher, as anyone. I can chat with Claude. And coming to artifacts, artifacts are one of the Claude unique feature. Whenever Claude creates something like a website, HTML code, Python program, document, it will appear here. But I not have been generated before, so I can't show now. Okay, let's build a small site through the artifacts, as you can see there. So now I'm just giving like a prompt to build a calculator website using HTML, like CSS and Java. Just give me a theory part firstly. After then I'll by seeing the result I'll ask the next step. So I have been asked Claude to give like instead of showing code, it opens an interactive preview where I can actually test it. This feature is amazing for developers who are developing the code or later websites. It's the best, and I suggest more the people like who want to learn like how to build the websites, not anything. So as you can see there, it have been generated, but I'm leaving it at the present, because I hope you all understand like how to generate firstly. And coming to plan pricing, like free plan, perfect for beginners. You can chat with Claude, generate code, analyze document, and use website. Like coming to pro plan, cost around $17 per month, and it provides like higher usage, faster response, access to more AI. And coming to max plan, designed for like professionals and team who use Claude heavily every day. So I have left like that only, like artifacts. Coming to settings, you can see like account privacy, building language called like a Claude called skill, and everything can be customized according to your needs, as you can see there. So I'm coming back to interface again. So now let us try an example like write a professional resume for BTech AML student. I'm giving that prompt there. And you can see there I have been given the prompt, and within seconds it has been given. You can see there within seconds it has been generated everything clearly what I asked her, like write a professional resume for BTech student of AML. So literally I like it. And you can see the beside interface, it was loading. Just wait a second. See, such a nice one. It have been given perfectly. You just go through it and you can edit what you want exactly with your, like you can change your name. If you want anything additional, you can add everything. I hope you all understand how to generate and how to get use the Claude AI. One thing I can tell, like Claude stands out for long form of writing, large document, analyzing, coding, projects, and reliable skills. So I like the mostly Claude AI in the present days. I'm using for my mini projects just for practice, not in real time. Just for practice, I'm using Claude AI more and more, and I suggest to engineering students of anyone. Literally, you can use like Claude like your friend, your mom, your dad, or your teacher, your faculty, your doctor, your patient. You can ask anything, and it will give a better result to you. And you can trust me really. Like first use it, and you'll get idea like how to use, and you'll get wow overall idea about Claude AI. When you start to use, you never leave it, and I give trust to you on it. So now let us go to another example. Explain quantum computing like I am 10 years old. I'm just giving that prompt to Claude. As you can see there, I given the prompt exactly what it told, like explain quantum computing like I am 10 years old. Within 6 to 7 minutes, it has been generated. I hope you all can see how it was generating step by step clearly to an user who is like 10 years old. A 10 years old can understand. As you can see the result, how clearly given to a boy who can boy or girl who can understand clearly. And this is the best AI tool I can suggest you guys in the present days. And this is all about Claude AI. I hope you all understand clearly. Up to now we saw a demo of Claude AI. I hope you all understand. If we are talking about advantages, very easy to use, excellent for coding, great at writing long articles, can summarize large documents, support projects and artifacts, maintain conversation context, produce detailed high quality response. If we are talking about disadvantages, requires an internet connection, free plan has limits. Some advanced models requires a paid subscription. AI generated information should always be verified. And coming to my final review on it, overall Claude AI is one of the best AI assistant available today. When you are a student, developer or researcher or content creator, Claude can significantly improve your productivity. And coming to my rating is 4.9 out of 5. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you tomorrow with another amazing AI tool in our 30 days AI tools challenge. Until then, keep learning, keep growing and keep exploring all AI tools. Until then, bye.